I thought I should get a video out today so nobody's panicking here. Okay, you can see this big red candle in the daily. We'll dig into this chart in a second. I'll show you what's going on here. Okay, nothing out of the ordinary. Shiba Inu completes the bone renouncing. Price surge ahead. Yesterday they completed that. Says the Shiba Inu development team has taken a significant step by officially renouncing the contract of Bone, the gas token for Shibarium. The official announcement shared on Shiba Inu X platform featured a message from Cal, one of the key developers behind Shiba Inu. He emphasized that the renunciation of the Bone contract was executed through the top dog contract, providing transparency and visibility to the process. To substantiate this, he included a link to Etherscan in the tweet, allowing users to verify that the Bone contract renunciation took place precisely at 21:04 UTC time on the previous day. This move comes on the heels of Shiba Inu's recent announcement that the development team had made substantial progress in minting the remaining supply of Bone tokens. It's important to note that the minting of these remaining tokens is a crucial prerequisite for renouncing the contract associated with the token. Previously, the SHIB community had voted to halt Bone minting once the token supply reached 230 million. However, an agreement was reached within the team to mint the remaining 20 million tokens, designating them for validators. In a clear demonstration of their commitment to the project and its future, the Shiba Inu development team has successfully minted the remaining Bone supply and subsequently carried out the renunciation of the token's contract. This strategic move underlines their dedication to the project's long-term success and the growing ecosystem of Shibarium. Notably, the investors seem to have lauded the announcement, as evident in the surge in the Bone price. The Bone price was up 7.4% as of writing on September 27th and traded at 90 cents. Over the last 24 hours, the crypto's volume added 56.85%. We looked at that yesterday, you remember that? To 8.35 million, while its market cap jumped 5% to about 205 million. The renunciation news, has fueled optimism of the investors as several market participants are now expecting the crypto to get listed on major exchanges in the coming days. Wow. Getting listed on major exchanges in the coming days. Meanwhile, today's gain also helped Bone Crypto to add around 10% over the past week. Yeah. If this thing gets listed on major exchanges in the next few days, nothing, not financial advice or anything like that, but I don't know. I don't know if, I don't know. We'll see what happens, guys. Me personally, would have been nice to get in this thing, back there when it was 29 cents or something. I don't think you'll never see them prices again, I'm sure. I had someone in the comments, I don't know, I haven't seen him since, but said that this thing was going to 50 cents or something. That's not going to happen. Alright, let's take a look at this chart and let's see what's going on, guys. This is why I say never buy big green candles. In the trading videos, I show you why. Okay, this thing is coming back and getting retest. On the 4-hour, you can see it perfectly. Alright, had the breakout, coming back for a retest. It's probably going to hit that 82. Could come the whole way down, back down here, 79 cents. It could. Alright, then I would expect, I think this is all just probably a wave 1, 2. This would be a third wave coming up here. 4, 5. We'll see where this goes. That's what it's going to be. Over here you had 5 waves up. You had 5 waves up here. This thing's going to be a lot bigger than that. Where's our 3? Our biggest move could be coming up, really. Want to make this look a little bit better, like it should look. There you go. Well, let's just redo it. You know, we got, let's put it on the daily here. Alright, you got a 1, 2, this 3. The 3 wave is going to be our biggest one. Alright, that probably take us right up here. But this third wave that's coming, this is going to be not financial advice, not financial advisor. Anything can happen in this market. This thing could go to zero in the next 5 minutes. Nobody knows. Okay, you can't. These charts are going to do what they want. We just go from past experience. Right over here. The last time we were down here, this thing went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see the third wave. The third wave is normally your biggest wave. Okay, so if that's the case, then this thing could be coming up for a pretty big blast. Where's our RSIs? Our daily is at the top right now. Okay, our weekly is at a 3 and a 7, just about ready to go. All right, the 12-hour. Let's get this off here a second. Obviously, it needs a correction. Okay, it's at the top. The 8-hour correcting. The 4 hours just about done. All right, so like I said, you're going to get a pullback here. Okay, you have an initial push up of what, 19%, something like that, right there. All right, and then you have your pullback down. Okay, this thing could come back 11%, could come back 15% here. All right, we'll just have to see where this ends up. It could end up here, or it's going to end up here, one of the two. Okay, and after that, I would expect the bounce to happen, or third wave. If it's doing 5 waves up, get ready, because this third one should be a doozy. All right, and usually third waves move pretty fast. We go back over. Let's zoom out here. Let me show you. Look at this thing here. If we go out in a weekly, even look at them big green candles on them third waves. Here's a third wave here. This is a third wave. Look at these big green candles. All right, over here, that looks like the third wave right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is exactly what this should do here. Okay, and hopefully something like this happens. We get our 1, 2, 3, hopefully 3, 4, and then we bust out of this thing, come back for bust out of there, come back for a retest, and then whammo, really take off. It could get exciting, especially when this weekly is down. Okay, this thing has been squeezing and squeezing and squeezing. This weekly here, back here, how much did it, it went up right up to the top, 670%. Then this one, the next one, went up 250%. All right, you can see the momentum just squeezing here. And we went up 150%. All right, just to break out of this thing from our bottom, to break out would be roughly 100%. Okay, so what if this thing ends up doing a 250% or something? And then that would get us our breakout. Obviously, we get the breakout of this wedge, and we're heading to $3.50. It looks like. So, just get ready, guys. Just next few days might be a little bit miserable. Like I said, this correction, you're going to get a pullback. Okay, that's why, like I said, it happens. And if you bought the top up here, well, so what? All right, ride it out. Like I said, this thing should come right back either to here or down here, and then this bounce should happen. All right, so nothing to worry about, guys. Typically perfectly normal. All right, have a great night, everybody. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.